on some pissed off flow, son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome pissed off flow, son.
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Childhood stories, part 4. Because I know y'all love them so much and can't get enough of them. So, as I've repeatedly said, I come from a very small town, farm town. It's kind of set up on a hill, but look, it's up here, and then you got down the hills of the Missouri River, then go off to a huge valley, basically extended all the way over the next town over, which was Richmond. But I mean, anyways, a very hilly city or town, not the best roads. For the longest time we still had brick roads. So we didn't have many skaters. God damn, this thing is neutral shifting a lot. So we didn't have a lot of skaters, skateboarders. It was mostly we mostly rode bicycles, BMX. A couple of us had some pretty nice BMX bikes, and then we just had some, Walmart bicycles, shit like that. But that's how we got around. And of course, dirt bikes, three-wheelers back then. Four-wheelers really wasn't a big thing yet. Mountain bikes weren't a really big thing yet. But dude, we would do some dumb-ass shit on BMX bikes. Make our own jumps, stuff like that. I want to get off here. I don't want to go that way. I should, but visiting fucking. I can't remember the name of the road. I wish I could. Buddy Brian, I think it was one street over from him, or maybe 2 streets over from him. Big, tall ass fucking hill, street, right? Humongous. At least it was back then, because I was a kid and everything was bigger, right?
That's what she said.
But the road comes down the hill and then tees off to a crossroad. Well, at the end of that crossroad was a ditch. The ditch did not go down very much, and it kind of flowed the way God damn, I hate these. I'm fucking sick of these handlebars. Replace that fucking neck bearing. Anyways, so I tell a fucking story. Off the side of the road, like over there, like off the side of the road, the ditch just kind of flowed in, and then all of a sudden there was a hill. Just a quick little bloop. I can't use my fucking hands! Fuck! I'm getting aggravated. It's like I'm doing that right amount of speed where it just wants to wobble like crazy. So, it's a pretty, it wasn't super steep. And it wasn't super tall. It was like, I don't even know. Maybe 2 feet. Maybe 3 at the max. But the way it kind of flowed was just perfect. What we would do is we'd get up top of that hill. Somebody'd sit at the bottom of the hill, watch for cars. And we would just bomb the hill and then hit that jump. And I say we as in a very few. Not very many people did this because you flew a very long distance and there was no landing. It was landing too flat. And you did get some pretty good height. I couldn't tell you how high you ever got, but we measured it off one day. I can't remember the guy's name that did it. He he made the jump, and he basically held the record that actually landed and didn't hurt himself, didn't break his bike, and didn't hit the ground. But it was like a 30-foot jump distance-wise to flat. But the height he got to was like ridiculous that he even landed it. Don't fart. Never trust a fart on a bike. Oh, I have to. You know, like I said, I have no idea how high he ever got, because we never measured that. We were kids, you know. You think back on shit, things that looked big to you then, now aren't very big.
That's what she said.
Being as an adult. I had jumped it a couple times because, well, I mean, I got no sense about me. I'm dumb and I do stupid shit. I never once landed it. Busted my nuts a lot. I got what you would call grass road rash from sliding through the grass, and grass will cut you up quick. A couple guys, we had scooters back then. I mean, we had scooters with big old wheels on them. A couple guys would try them on scooters, regular old 10-speed, shit like that. But not too many people tried to ever jump that. I mean, other people would, but they wouldn't go to the top of the hill. You know, they just go up a little bit. Never really got much speed out of it. But I know my buddy Donnie had lived right down the street from it, and I had done it one day, and I come down and I hurt myself pretty bad. The way I had landed, I'd gotten hurt pretty bad. I mean, not like go to the hospital hurt, more like let me lay here for a couple minutes because this shit hurts like hell. Not only did I bust my nuts, my arm hurts, my legs hurt, my ribs hurt, I can't breathe, knocked the wind out of myself, hurt. Like, it was bad. And I'm laying in the grass face down, and the only thing Donnie could think to say is, the longer you lay in the grass, the more that grass is gonna make you itch, you need to get up. Fucking dickhead. But he had gotten me up out of the grass, got down to his house, he got me a washcloth, and and I kind of washed myself off, got the kind of grass off me so it would stop itching. But I'm trying to remember exactly when I came down. It was like I should have landed it, but I came down so hard that my feet just came right off the pedals. I missed the seat, of course. BMX hit the bar, crushed my nuts, and then bounced, landed on my side. It was a mess. I was hurt pretty bad. I might even cry for my mama a little bit. Maybe, but I was a tough guy, so I probably didn't. I really did. Man, we had a lot of fun with these kids. I miss it. I miss the 80s. I miss doing dumb shit. Now if I do dumb shit, it hurts for, you know, 6 years. So annoying. I hate people that do the speed limit. I should have went that way, took the back roads and just said, fuck this guy. I can see no cars coming. Don't do that at home, kids. Nobody in the line, blind corner. But I did it because it ain't got no sense. Anywho, leave down in the comments, give me a childhood story of yours that's funny or gross or disgusting or hurting. Maybe something that hurts you real bad. That's funny. Because that's how I roll. But yeah, like, share, Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe today. If you're not already subscribed. If you're new here, just checking it out. Check out a few of the other videos. Hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. That's what I was supposed to say. The other one was just me goofing. Seriously, make sure you leave a comment. Okay?